I think some of you didn't understand last chapter, so I want to explain it again. Before we start, I want to show you something. We can write a line and tell compiler that you should ignore it. How we should do, why we want to do that? Let's see here. If we use forward slash and write anything you want, like I'm Navid, I'm sorry, it will be ignored by compiler. It won't see it. It's just for us to explain what this line of code do. So this is called commenting. So let's write last example code here, J++. What will happen here? We can show it here. First, step 1, let's write it here for you to see. Step 1 is from left to right, it will be executed. MCU will execute code from left to right. So this will happen. What is this? Is this I equal I plus 1 semicolon. This is first execution of code that MCU does. Step 2. In step 2, MCU will execute this. Step 2 result is I was 20 and here it's plus 1, so it will be 21 plus J is 10, so we put 10 and result would be 31. And next execution of code is this. J equal J plus 1. So if we run it, you see that it is what is happening. I changed this to float. Sorry. Let's run it. This is a float. Let's make D and run it again. So you see that it is what's happening. J plus 1 is 11. So I hope you understand this well. Let's have another example. Result equal 10 multiply by 5 divided by 2 plus 7 minus 2, no, 4 semicolon. So what you think will be happening here? Will MCU execute code from left to right? No. I want to show you a table. That's it. From top to bottom is what MCU execute first. First, if MCU see one of these, MCU will execute that. Then if MCU see this, will execute this, and then this. So it is more important to MCU this row than this row, and this row than this row, and so on. So what will what will happen here. So let's see here. There is multiply and divide in this equation. Which one of them will execute first? You see that two of them in one row. So in here, the one on the left will execute first. So this will execute first. Let's see this. This is what we want to calculate. So this one happen first. 10 multiply 5 will be 50. Then what will happen? This is more important than minus and plus. You see, this is more important than these two because it's in third row. So this will happen next. 25. Then which one of these will happen? These two have the same row. So the one on the left will happen sooner. So this 32 and then this 28. Let's run it. You see, but this is not a good way to do such a thing. You're here to see professional way to do something like this. So how we should do this? Let's see. There is something that it's not in this table, and that is parentheses. Parentheses is more important than each one of these. So if we put these two in parentheses, it will happen sooner than rest of them. Let's make a difference. You know that first this will happen, then this. If we put this in a parenthesis, so first this happen, then let's see it. Copy it and paste it here. First this would happen. It is 2.5 because this 2 is integer, so it will remove this. MC will remove this because this 2 is integer. We talk about it before. So which one of these would happen next? You see, this, because this is more important than this. So it will be 20. And then this, because these two is in same row, and for that the one on the left will happen sooner. So 27 minus 4 is 23. Let's run it. 23. So from now on, please, every equation that you wanna happen first, put it on parentheses. I will show you a lot of example in the next chapters, and you see how we should do that. Thank you.